baby.
Real hot girl shit. DA got that dope.
That ain't the baby. That's my baby.
Two ponytail or not two ponytail? Oh, go to hell.
Okay. Hello. I'm finna be a redhead today. Don't drop the puppy. Don't drop the pup. I'm just kidding. I'm finna be a redhead today. Let's go.
Welcome and/or welcome back to my mother vlogging YouTube channel. My name is Fat Ash and my booty's fat, but that's irrelevant because I'm gonna throw it back in a few days, but not today. And I'm finna get ready to go get my puppy some shots and immunization.
Is this it? That's not it. Which one is it? Where is she? Baby! Where you at? Oh! I found her. Oh, my spray is crushed by Rihanna. My mammy got it for me for Christmas. Alright, that's enough.
Next, I'm finna unboil my egg. These my braids I just did the other day. I had ended up braiding all three of the braids together, and I'm gonna just bobby pin them up real quick because I was gonna sew them together, but I don't feel like doing it, so I'm just gonna bobby pin it together. I choose to bobby pin it here. Switch my wig, make him feel like he cheating. Oh, oh, oh. Switch my wig, make him feel like he.
Boy, I look like E.T. found home. Oh my god, shit. Oh my god. Let me find my forehead. It really don't matter because you know what I'm about to do? You know what I'm about to do?
You already know.
Okay. Shake that sheet. Now, to be honest, the do-rag is longer than the hair. Lord Jesus.
Yeah, we're gonna do the headband today. Get another bobby pin because it feel like if you leave me now, you take away the biggest part of me. Do the Ricky bobby pin.
Hey, you talking about I ain't finna sew it in. Do the Ricky Bobby pin.
Okay. How do you even work these things?
How do you even work these things?
Let me find a headband.
I'm I'm going to turn y'all sideways real quick. I feel very much like Dora the Explorer. I'm ready. Alright, Daisy. It's the collar. The collar not working. It's throwing the bob away in the trash can. Maybe if I do it like this. Okay. I gotta just keep it to the bag. Yup. Yep. That's how you gotta do it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.